Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy 2023, my days, my lovely days. And new year, new me. Oh my god, thank you for staying with me for, one whole year while I procrastinated and idled and dismantled this YouTube channel instead of growing this YouTube channel. But it got me thinking, really and truly, what if we could upload information into our brains? Random topic, I know, but it's been bothering me from morning. What if we could upload information into our brain? I mean, some of us would still be stupid, right? Because now that I think about it, some of us would be too lazy to upload information because you'd have to source it yourself to upload it. So, all in all, stupid people still exist. So, while we're here, it's time I fully commit to you. So, where is my heart? This is how people do. Whatever. I blah 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 hereby commit to this channel 2023 that I will now I forgot what I was going to commit. I blah 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 will commit to this channel 24/7. I will upload videos Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Fridays unless death does me part. So while we're on the topic of 2022 and committing in 2023, let's recap my favorite parts of 2022. So there is this.
This is fraud.
Remember the second where people do it going in, oh, it's up and love it up. We need somebody to go. The reverse twerk. So now we're in the park to kidnap lonely kids. This is me. I look better in the dark. Don't agree so quickly. So let me just.
This again.
I don't know how many times she won.
This is nice. Emotional damage.
You want some therapy?
Helicopter, helicopter.
And that's about all that I liked. Probably there was more that I missed, but those are my favorite moments because you need to interact with me, y'all. I need to know what y'all like so I can give you what y'all like. Speaking of what y'all like, I'm gonna do what I don't like this year. This year, 2023, it's time for me to embrace myself. Embrace me. Embrace who I am. I've been stuck in the body of a 5'3" female all my life. However, I've never acted like it. I've acted like I was a 6' female Hulk. So now that it's 2023, I've decided to embrace who I am. So 2022 was a very traumatic year, and this is why I decided going forward into 2023, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to embrace me, the female version of me, the one that has boobs, the one that has ass, or not. While this may seem harsh, you won't see anybody else on my channel anymore. You'll barely see my family, I'll probably break their faces. You barely see friends, I'll probably break their faces, unless it's a collab or whatever. Because the aim is to go bigger, better, and whatever comes after those words. Obviously, I'm not going to jump right into the whole, I'm going to wear nails, or I'm going to do my hair, or I'm going to put on makeup. I'm going to take it one step at a time. I'm going to do what I'm comfortable with. One step at a time. I'll gradually grow. That doesn't mean my style will change. It just means I'll adjust. I'll add in more things that are more girly-like, and I'll glow up. Today, though, for those who couldn't tell, I'm very sick. I got a sore throat coming into 2023, and I have a runny nose coming into 2023. And so I decided I'm going to pull out my hair and wash my hair because it's been this way for like 2 weeks and the laskets are popping. The laskets are popping. So I'm going to speed up this bit and I'll tell you a story while I do. Not to distract me from eating my bread, but I started watching a Japanese drama and I decided why not pull out my hair. So during this time that I'm pulling out my hair, I want to tell you a story about me and my dad who went to PriceSmart. So we went to PriceSmart and we were looking for oil. Long story short, we walked past some virgin vegetable oil or something like that, and it was like $6,000 Jamaican dollars. And we're like, what? $6,000? And I said to my dad, let's not buy that oil because most Jesus make it why it's expensive. And he said, No, Jesus give me that after she give birth to Jesus, make it so expensive. Nothing else but that could have make the eyes expensive. And it told both out in a lifetime in the middle of price market, everybody had turned around and look for me because I guarantee you, say most of the people around me did hear me. So I'm like, wow. I'm a poor little brother this and they were like, wagon? What? Wagon? This morning I woke up though. Just add on to this. This morning I woke up and my father say, "You're still sick?" I'm gonna say, him say, "Why? Look like you got dead with that sickness there." I mean, I say, "But that man you're bright." Look how I tell him daughter, him favorite daughter nonetheless. I'm gonna just get up and look at him. Yes, and so this is all for today. I'll be heading to wash my hair. I won't show that part to you because it's a very awkward procedure for me because I have to pull out this side. I just pulled out the twist. I didn't actually pull out the hair, like I combed out this side. This side has elastic in there, so it was easier to pull out. But this side, this is water needed to save myself from pain. So yes, guys, I'll see you in the next video. So yes, love all days, every day. Just a quick question before you go. Why are you not sharing this video? I mean, I'm going to put out nicer videos, other videos. Subscribe, like, share, comment, please. There will be no silent audio this year, none whatsoever. You'll be hearing my voice 24/7, so if you don't like it, get off it. Ta-ta, bye-bye, adios.